Welcome! In this video, I'll show how you can stop spam calls on Android. So first, you will need to make sure that the default phone calls app is set to, default Android or Google phone app. Or if you use any third-party or proprietary application from the device's manufacturer, check if they allow for spam calls, blockage to begin with or blocking to begin with, and if they don't, just switch to default phone app. Once you do that, open it, or actually you will not need to separately go into settings and change the default app here. Usually if any different app is set as your default preference for phone calls, once you will open upon opening the default Google or Android phone app, it will suggest that in order to use it in the first place, you will need to set it as your default phone calling app. So once this step is out of the way, tap on those three vertical dots, go into settings, then enter the caller ID in spam section, and here switch on the filter spam calls toggle. And to be extra safe, you can also see caller and spam ID toggle as well to have more information regarding whoever is trying to reach you. So you will see their suspected or suggested caller ID or spam ID. So if any given phone number is flagged as on some database, probably is flagged as a spam phone number, you will be able to notice it and just right away reject the call. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.